and then come back to my channel. I did dig dinosaur eggs. Open it. Let me read it. Okay. You can dig it. You can dig that. You can put a water in there. You can put a dinosaur. You can brachiosaurus. Oh, the dinosaur constant. It's two eggs. I can do this one. To put in the warm water. Put the egg in the water. Let's wait 5 minutes.
We can't. This one.
No, they got the water. They got.
That's stuck. It's stuck. Our dogs got stuck.
Oh. Cool. Come on, Dad. Come on. You can do it. You know, stop his egg. Keep digging, guys. That's one done. And what? Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Bye.